Why do you say you kissed the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired, Kostya. If I could only rest. Rest. I'm the seagull. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. It doesn't matter. And he's here too. It doesn't matter. He didn't believe in the theater. He used to laugh at my dreams. And so little by little I lost faith in myself and stopped believing myself entirely. I lost heart. And always the strains of love, jealousy, and constant fear for the child. I became trivial and commonplace. I acted without thinking or feeling. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't move properly or even control my voice. You have no idea what it's like to know you're acting badly. I'm a seagull. No, that's not what I meant to say, I'm sorry. Do you remember the seagull that once got shot? You placed it at my feet. It said to me, I had an idea, a subject for a short story. A girl, completely like yourself, lives by the shores of a lake. She loves the lake, just like a seagull. But one day, a man comes by chance, and because he has nothing better to do, destroys her. What was I talking about before? Yes, about acting. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a real actress now. I act with delight, with rapture. And I feel drunk when I'm on stage, and I think I'm wonderful at it. Ever since I got here, I've been walking around and walking and thinking and even believing that my soul grows stronger every day. Now I know at last, Kostya, that in our kind of work, whether we are writers or actors, the important thing is not fame or glory, not what I used to dream about. It is the ability to endure, to have faith. I must bear my cross and have faith. If I have faith, it doesn't hurt so much. And when I think of my calling, I'm not afraid of life. When you see him, don't tell him anything. I do love him, yes. I love him more than ever. How sweet it used to be, Kostya. Remember? How bright and warm, how joyous and pure our lives used to be. And the love we had for each other was like fine, delicate flowers. Do you remember?